how to dehydrate an array of fruits. This is the perfect way to dehydrate any fruit that is turning off or just about to turn. You don't feel like eating it, so don't waste it, dehydrate it. So what we have here are some delicious strawberries. We've got some orange, which I've chopped the skin off, pineapple, kiwi fruit, delicious blueberries, and some grapes. I have had them washing in a fruit wash bath for about 20 minutes or so. This really gives them a good clean and also helps, you know, preserve the color, and it really brings out the flavor because you do add some lemon in it. So I've squeezed some lemon again over the top. And today I'm going to be using the Sedona Supreme, which is a fantastic dehydrator which can be used in the household environment and commercial environment. And the thing I love about this machine is the TST feature. Basically, all that is you can set it at a higher temperature. So I've got it around 65 degrees Celsius, that is, for about 4 hours. And then automatically, when that 4 hours is up, it'll turn to 47 or 45 degrees for about 15 hours or so. You may notice that the strawberries will be done first and then maybe your grapes. So just take them out. I know you're not meant to dehydrate everything at the same time, but sometimes we just want to dehydrate it and get it started. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll pop it open, add in the trays, and it's the perfect tray size because the blueberries actually don't fall out, which is great. I may ruin all my little grapes on the side here. I've really packed it full. Oh, I've got a lone soldier down here. Alright, so we've got the function ready to go. Make sure you've got the fast and the raw mode both lit up, and that will ensure the TST will work. And then we start it and just go about your day, and after the 4 hours it'll go down to the low temperature, and you want to set it around 47 or 45 degrees so you don't get really crispy and it doesn't ruin the actual texture of the fruit. So we'll leave that. I'll turn it off for now and I'll show you how we're looking over here. Do remember that the fruit does shrink significantly in size. And here's what we've got. We've got our grapes. The blueberries could take a bit longer. We've got kiwi fruit, beautiful pineapple, orange and strawberries. Fantastic for garnishes or just for snacking on. And you want to make sure that you can still sort of bend it without it cracking. And then eat it. Happy dehydrating.